Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ASUS ROG Ally Cloud Recovery and Setup, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that your ASUS ROG Ally is powered off. Connect the device to a stable Wi-Fi network. Press and hold the power button until the ASUS logo appears. Release the power button when you see the logo. Immediately start pressing the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS menu. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the boot tab using arrow keys. Change the boot mode to UEFI if it is not already set. Save your changes by pressing F10 and confirm with yes. The device will restart automatically. As the device boots, tap the F4 key to access the recovery environment. Select Troubleshoot from the recovery menu. Then choose Reset this PC to start the recovery process. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose either Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you choose Remove Everything, confirm your selection. The recovery process will start, which may take some time. Once completed, the device will restart again. Follow the instructions to set up your ASUS ROG Ally. Choose your language and region preferences. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one. Set up your device preferences like privacy settings and device name. Finally, look for any additional software updates and install them. Your ASUS ROG Ally is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.